filter option in Excel. In this session, we will learn how to use filters to hide data in a table or data set and show only the required records based on criteria. Filter option is present in Home tab and also Data tab. So, we will see how to make use of filters with an example. When you refer to Home tab, you can see the filter option that is present in Edit group. When you observe the sort, in the below that you can see filter button. Similarly, if you go to Data tab, you can also see in sort and filter you can see the filter button. So, to enable the filter, you have to place your cursor in the table or data set, or you can select entire table, or you can place your cursor anywhere within the data set and click the filter button. So, if you click once, the filter button is on. If you click once again, that is a toggle button, it is off. So, on, filter button on, filter button off. So, we will enable the filter button now. Once the filter button is on, you can see that. So, if you click on the filter button, it will enable you to click on the button and you can observe the menu or and options which are available for providing criteria. Say if it is numeric, you can see that number filters you can observe equal, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than. So, you can observe number of criteria that you can apply. Similarly, if you click on text type of column, so you can observe that text filter equals, does not equal, begin with, ends with, contains. These are all the options you can observe in text type of data. Similarly, filter button will also support sort by color. Once you click the filter button on, you can observe one more thing, that is there will be a check boxes for text as well as for numbers. So, it is very helpful when there are slab type of data. That means when there are specific type of data, you can check or uncheck whichever the records required. You can set the criteria based on which you can show or hide the records. We will now see how to work with filters. First, we will take up the example of number filters. For number filters, you can use options like equals, greater than, less than, etc. So, let us see how to work with this with an example. So, in this table we have employee ID, name, type, department, salary, city. So, here salary column consists of numeric type of data. So, we will select this salary column, then we will select this number filter. Say for example, I want to obtain the records overall getting salary greater than 20,000. So, I will apply the criteria in this. First, I will select the salary, I will click on the filter button, number filter, greater than or equal to, then I will click on this cell and provide 20,000 in this box. Click the OK button. Now, in this you can see there are only 3 records displayed. Observe the status bar, you can see 3 of 20 records. That means there are 20 records, and out of that it is filtering as per the criteria greater than 20,000 and it is displaying only 3 records. So, once again I will click on the salary column filter button, I will click on number filter, then I will use another option like between. Say I will give is it greater than or equal to 15,000 and I will use it as 20,000. Let us see what happens. So, there are 14 records displayed here which matches the criteria greater than or equal to 15,000 and less than 20,000. So this is how you can apply number filters. Now let us see how to make use of text filters. So if it is text type of data, then you can use equal to, begins with, ends with, right? So let us see this. So before getting into this text filter, you can observe the buttons. So wherever the criteria is applied, say for example in this salary column, you can see the changes in the filter button. That means we have applied some criteria on this. First remove the criteria from the salary column. So you can do this in two ways. One is you can just click on the clear button present in filter, that is in data type filter. You can see there is a clear button. So if you click on this, all the options or all the criteria will be removed and you will get the original data set. That is one thing. Or one more method is you can click on the column. You can click on the column and then you can click clear filter from salary. So this is also possible. Now let us see how to make use of text type of data for filtering. So I will choose name column for this, and let me try doing it with text filters begins with letter V. Say I will use this. Click the OK button. So there are 4 records which are displayed based on the criteria provided. So I will clear the filter from this name column, clear filter from name. Similarly, if I want type column, I can select type column. So in this, instead of using this text filter, I will use the checkbox option here. Say I want to get the list of employees who are working on permanent basis. I will remove the contract and temporary, and I will display only this permanent employees. Click the OK button. So there are 8 records that are displayed out of 20 records. See this. One more thing you should remember, Excel filter will provide you option wherein you can select multiple criteria. Say I have given based on type. In that I can also give one more thing, that is I can apply salary column also. That means in salary column I can give some criteria. Say salary greater than or equal to 20,000. That means here I am applying the criteria type, that is permanent, and also I am applying salary criteria, that is salary greater than or equal to 20,000. So this is how you can make use of filters. So to remove this, I can click on each of this column and I can clear this, or I can just go and use the clear button from the filter box. Now we will see how to work with color filter. So filter option will support you to filter the records based on colors. So in this example, there are few of the records which are highlighted with some color in the city column. So some important record or whichever, for some purposes we will be highlighting it with color. So the highlighted cells can be used for filtering. Click on the filter button, then click on filter by color. Say if I use no fill, then I will get only the data set which doesn't have color in the cells. Or else I can click on this and I can use filter by color and I can select any specific color. That is also possible. If I don't want this, I can just click on clear filter from city. So this is how you can make use of filter option to work with numbers, to work with text, and to work with colors, that is cell colors. Now we will see there is an option to sort the records in filter, and also we can copy the records that are filtered and we can paste it in another location. So we'll take up this example. So whenever sorting is required, from the filter button itself you can do the sorting. You can observe the button. Once you click on the filter button, say you can click on the button and you can sort from smallest to largest, largest to smallest. So this is how you can filter the record. So on whichever column you want, you can do the sorting. Now we will see how we can copy the filtered records and paste it in another location. So I'll open this table. So in this we will apply some criteria. Say for example, department name, I will select it as administration and marketing. So I have obtained 7 records out of 20 records. So these records can be copied and I can paste it in another location. So I will copy this and I will paste it in another location. So once you paste this, this is an extract of the main table or data set. So here in this original table or the filtered table, so it is only temporarily hiding the information. It is not removing the records. So once you clear the filter, you can obtain all the original data. So this is how you can copy and paste the data in another location. As you know, the filter option will hide the records and display only the records that matches the criteria. Finally, let us see how to remove the filter button. As we saw in our previous example, so we can just place the cursor anywhere in this table or the data set, click on the filter button. So once if you click, it is applied, and once again if you click, it is removed. So you can apply or remove the filter button. So these are all the things that we discussed in our session, that is filter option, which is present in home tab as well as data tab. So once the filter is applied, you can see the filter buttons on each column of the table. So using the filter button, you can filter the data based on number, based on text and based on colors. And you can also sort the records using the filter button. You can, once the filter is done, you can also copy the record from the one location to another location, and you can get the extract of the data that are filtered. Finally, we know how to remove the filter button. That is a toggle button. Once if you click, it is on, and once again if you click, it is off.